Kevin Benedict, independent mobility analyst, reporting from Barcelona, Spain this week, where I have the privilege of spending time with Uri Pintov. Now, Uri, you're here with Clicksoftware, and I had the opportunity of sitting through one of your presentations today on all kinds of new developments in mobile technology. Can you share with the audience today some of the highlights of what's new?
Absolutely. So a lot of exciting stuff now happening in Clicksoftware around mobility. Let's start with the Click App Store. This is an enterprise app store where you can come in and download apps that are ready to use and incorporate them into your Click Mobile solution. Amazing rapid deployment and providing completing the solution of your basic package that comes with Click Mobile. So it's something that we're hopefully the ecosystem will build, and tons of apps will be available in the Click App Store real soon. Some of them free apps, some of them will be paid apps. But
so Uri, explain this to me. Is this an app store that is available to everyone or Click Mobile users?
Okay, so great question. It's an app store that's targeted not at the end consumer user, but more at enterprise companies that have Click Mobile and purchase Click Mobile and want to incorporate additional functionality to Click Mobile without going through a large upgrade. They can just grab ready-to-use apps and put them on there, complementing their solution.
So if I understand this right, companies around the world can be developing applications on Click Mobile, and Clicksoftware themselves can be building apps.
Exactly.
And your distribution model then would be to upload them to the Click App Store.
Yes.
So that they're available for everybody to read about, to see, and if they're useful, how do they get their hands on them? Do they then call Clicksoftware? What do they do?
So they log into the Click App Store and download, and it's going to get the process is going to get really automated. So it works together with the Mobility Studio, and this is a huge opportunity for Clicksoftware partners to come in and contribute apps that they've developed for a specific project. So then it can be reused in other projects as well, and of course they make a name for themselves by having a referenceable app that is used across many companies.
Very good. So Uri, what else is on the list that's new this year?
So we're talking about end-to-end mobile solutions, and when we're talking about that, we're talking about an amazing new feature that is called Business Views. Business Views let us put on the mobile device any object in the back end with configuration only, with no coding, which means this object like timesheets and vacation requests and roster shift and assets and parts, everything can be available both on the mobile side and in the back end, and it's the same UI, the same object names, so a change here is immediately available, and it's very strong. When we're talking about enterprise applications, you must have them talk to each other, and you must have them talking to a back end, otherwise it's just a consumer app, and that's really not good enough for the enterprise.
So from your opinion, Uri, how important is HTML5 to enterprises?
So we see HTML5 demand growing and growing, and we're happy to be on that wagon for a couple of years already. We feel we have a very robust and rich application. We're still using some wrappers like PhoneGap, for example, to gain some device-specific functionality like the cameras and the barcode scanning, but I see the browsers heading to a place where we may not need these wrappers for a long time, because browsers like Firefox on Android already able to grab pictures from the phone. Yep. So it's getting interesting, and when Windows Tablet will come, we'll see other interesting stuff happening.
So Uri, you're always champion Microsoft. You just like to go for the guy that's behind?
Great question. No. I think a lot of enterprises are now sitting on the fence, mainly because a lot of them already have mobile devices that are either Windows laptops and toughbooks or Windows Mobile, and they don't want to give these away yet. They want to move to Windows 8, but the employees want iPhones and sexy smartphone device. Everybody sitting on the fence wants to know what will happen with the Microsoft tablet, Windows 8. So it's going to be very interesting. Will it be a monster? I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's going to grab some part of the market, because obviously Apple cannot dominate this market alone. There's room for competition.
Uri, I want to thank you again for sharing with our audience.
Pleasure. Anytime.